In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the cabin air filter replacement on a 2018 Mazda 3. Should be a very simple process. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button if you have any questions. And we're going to go ahead and start this video right after the intro. All right, so coming up on the passenger side, glove compartment, we are gonna have a little plunger right here. So this little plunger, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get your index finger and your thumb and just wiggle it back and forth and just pull it back. And then right here on the actual glove compartment box piece. All right, so now that I got everything out of the glove box, basically I don't want nothing to fall when we do take this off. So we're gonna go ahead and push right here. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So we're gonna push the glove inside towards each other. So the more center you get right over here, the easier it is. So once we got that side in, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the other. So put your hand right there on the actual glove box. Then right here is our blend door. We got our blend door from the outside, and then we have our fan blend door housing. So we're gonna go ahead and right here would be our filter. So this guy sometimes is clip on. This one looks like it just slides in and out. Now we do have it a little bit dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and replace this. So this comes as a whole complete unit. So it should have an outer casing, and this gets clipped in. So now we don't need any housing from that. So you can see the difference what the customer's breathing as versus what he's going to be breathing now. So we'll go ahead and push back our cabin filter. So it should feel a little resistance, and then it should feel tight. That one felt a lot more loose. So obviously we're probably losing, no, we shouldn't be losing any airflow. So, all right, so now that we have that guy in, we're going to go ahead and make sure if your housing fell off, no biggie, we can actually get that. We have two little notches, and what we need to do is we need to get the glove compartment all the way down as much as possible, and then as we have it down, make sure that they're both on the inserts, little notches, and then just slide up as you're still pushing towards it, and then that will keep it in there. And then make sure that this clips in so it doesn't retract back and fall down. And then we'll grab our little glove compartment shock and push that towards that, and that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.